and my package came from Steve Madden, and that made everything slightly alright. So these boots I've been watching like a hawk and waiting for the price to go down. They were originally $229.95. We are here to see these Steve Madden Lovestruck boots. I purchased these in a size 8.5. These were final sale. They were marked down from $229.95 to, I'll insert that later because I can't even think right now. My brain is not processing thoughts. These freaking boots are so cute. They're so cute. My first initial impression of these, they were not worth $230 just from the feel of them. I mean, they're nice, but they're decent quality, but this looks like it would be very slick, neck breaking. I really hope these fit. Since they were final sale. I am in no way disappointed. I love these. I think they're adorable. I think at around $130 is what I paid for them. And again, I'll insert the actual price here. Very much worth it. Adorable. Perfect for Valentine's Day or anytime. Really. I don't see really, I would say, any necessarily flaws with these. Maybe this right here, right at the heel, sort of, it's like there's a little glue there where these cutouts were done and applied in. But I won't have any serious complaints concerning the price I paid. I think if I had bought these for the full price, I probably would be a little mad at that. As I'm pulling out the stuffing inside, it's like something sticky in there. Weird. There's no zippers on these, so you just have to go for what you know, go straight in and pull them up. I will say though, with the leather being kind of loose like it is up here, or not so stiff and firm, I'm gonna probably have a lot better luck with my big calves actually getting into these. I really want to put them on, but I'm just not in the mood to try on shoes. I have noticed that a lot of the Steve Madden Western boots, people say they run small, but I also noticed that people were saying that the ones that only came in whole sizes ran small. So I am hoping that since these came in half size, I bought my regular size 8.5, and we will pray, girls and guys. As of right now, as of today, most sizes are still in stock. Everything from like 6 to 11 women's shoe is still in stock on the website. So if you want these, I would say definitely go grab them now. And I'll be back later, you guys, to actually try these on and give you my thoughts. Hope this helps. Close. All right. So I am realizing that I don't have anything to wear with these. I also, look, I told you guys it's been a rough day. Oh my God. These, oh my God. It'll be fine. We'll be fine. Boom. My fat legs easily. If you have big calves, someone's probably gonna wanna know my calf measurement. That's something I should know. Well, let me just say I have big ASS calves, as you can see, and I can slide right into these boots with no worries. I love these shoes. You guys, I'm gonna have to edit that out. I want to sing that song, you know. Dun, 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 dun. You know what I'm saying? These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all the way. But I don't think it counts if I sing it myself. these are outtakes. I'm just gonna have to edit that. I can crop it so you can't see so much of my leg. You guys buy these. If you were like me and you've been watching the Steve Madden website for these shoes to go on clearance for weeks, you know, if you got that kitschy, fun, crazy kind of style, these are for you. And these are thick girl, chubby girl friendly. Like, comment, subscribe for more shenanigans. I'm having so much fun.